So, lahat naman tayo siguro napanood na natin ang video ni Rowena Guanzon na naninigaw sa mall. Ngayon, sabi ni Guanzon, idedemanda daw niya yung taong nag-video at nagkalat nito sa social media. Pwede ba yun? Well, sa batas, may tinatawag na reasonable expectation of privacy rule. You only have privacy in a place where you can reasonably expect to have privacy. Kung nasa public place ka, hindi mo pwedeng asahan na may privacy ka dito. Meaning, pwede kang i-video, pwede kang mapicturan. Ito pa, the moment you screamed, shouted, and caused a commotion, ikaw mismo ang nagtanggal ng privacy mo. Bakit? Kasi you made yourself impossible to ignore. You invited public attention. You created a scene everyone could hear and see. You voluntarily placed yourself in the public spotlight. In other words, kung ikaw ang nag-ingay, ikaw rin ang nag-invite ng opportunity for people to record what is happening. Hindi ito violation of privacy. Ang bottom line, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa public place and cause a commotion tapos mag-complain ka pag may nag-record nito. Pag ikaw mismo ang gumawa ng eksena, wala kang karapatang magreklamo na may nakakita at may nag-record. Kaya yung tao nag-video, hindi siya liable dito.